everybody, I'm Alora.
I'm Dustin.
And today we're doing a haircut video because all the hair salons are closed and Dustin wanted a haircut. So I told him that I could probably do it. So...
And then it became a video.
Yeah. Should we start like an intro?
No.
Hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
I think, let's see, this one guy did it like this. Okay. Wait. What? I'm already like, how do I do this? I'm already like, how do I do this?
Please don't be too close
Wait,
to my head.
stop. I'm not. Don't worry about that.
Promise me you won't cut close to my head.
I won't.
I don't want to be bald.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I just need to fix something I really kind of up.
Is it where you took that first chunk?
Yeah.
Where my head like tilted forward from the weight being gone?
Well, it's okay. I'm just trying to get this like horizontal line up. Let me make sure. Let me see if they can see that. All right, turn your head towards the bed.
Is this the line? Why are you not talking?
I just.
Why are you not talking?
I just. But I kind of fixed it right here, so I'm just gonna
Can they see it?
Yeah, you can see it.
You know I trust you fully.
I know, I don't know why. Alright, turn your head, let's see if we can get some more.
Turn this way?
I know.
Oh no, what was that comb for? How come there's no words? You scare me with no words.
Emma told me to look at all the angles. Dustin, my love.
What happened?
I like the angle up here. Alright, look down.
Take a picture. I want to see what you've done.
Alright, so this is where we're at.
Why does it look like that? What happened? Came with it, didn't you?
I did. I took like half an inch off. You got like a bowl cut. You got like an invisible bowl cut.
You just want me to look like a beetle.
No. This doesn't look like the Beatles. Top.
What did you do?
Lower.
What this? What this?
Alright, so Dustin got his hair wet. So I think that's gonna help what we're doing here. So, Dustin pretty much has straight hair, so I don't know what happened. It's actually kind of thin right there. It's awful. I gave you curly hair. Oh my gosh.
What did you do?
Babe, I am not a hairstylist.
What are you doing to my hair? Is it better?
No!
And not?
No! Oh my
no.
gosh! Let me see. Oh, okay. So
What does it look like now?
we know that I am not a hairstylist, and you know what? That's really bad, babe.
What did you do?
Alright, I gotta show him the footage. So what are you doing now, Dustin?
How did you do that? What did you do?
I don't know.
How do you do that? I don't
There's
even
a
know.
science to it, you know?
There's no science to it, man.
I just did not
How
know
you
the
cut
science.
it curly? You cut it into a curly head.
I thought I did it right.
They can't reach it. I gotta go shorter. Oh, won't reach it. Not the day.
Oh, but you look so handsome. You look like you're ready for T-ball.
Thank you.